I made this mad jollof rice without tomato paste too. What's even so special about tomato paste? To be honest, I don't know if it has anything important it does, but personally, I I would say I met my mom. I saw her using tomato paste, and I just adapted it also, sha. But I'm just trying to see if I can do without tomato paste for health reasons. Anyway, here I started with my cooking oil that I've used to fry meat before. So it's just going to help with building my flavor. So I went in with my chopped onion, garlic, and habanero pepper. So I love to see tiny chops of pepper in my jollof rice, and I also wanted small heat. So that's why I added the pepper. So you can skip that in your own. Please be very, very generous with your onion. Also, your onion doesn't have to be chopped tiny. I just have a tiny human that doesn't like to see onion in her food. So, that's a win win. Anyway, I went in with my bay leaves, curry, and thyme also. Then fry the onion till it has been caramelized or transparent. So straight in with pepper mix. Then we fry that very very well till the oil comes up. It will also feel like it has started to burn or stick to the pan, especially if you are using stainless steel pot, just as I'm doing in this video. Then we proceeded to add our washed rice. I'm using a small grain rice. Then after adding the rice, I added meat stock that I have in the freezer already. Then I added my salt, maggi, and water to adjust. So the hack of these things, you don't have to add them in, like you don't have to add everything once, especially water. So because we added meat stock already, so you need to just keep adjust. Yeah, so you just need to keep adjusting, the water especially. So you can add the water as it cooks, so it doesn't get soggy. Àwọn Yorùbá máa ní kó má jẹ. Do you get? So you check and turn in such a way that the ones up will go down and the ones down will come up for even cooking. Yeah, so you don't get, like, so that it will not be that okay, some will be hard and some will be soft. Then you cover again to steam and make sure it's on the lowest heat. Jollof rice does not need, extreme fire. How do I say it? It just needs that steam for the rice to be soft. So you are going to just do all that over and over, like you just done, just to make sure everything is evenly done and it is well done, not overdone. And yes, we have our simple jollof rice without tomato paste. So I'm going to leave you to continue watching the video because my voiceover is actually faster than, yeah, the video is long. So I'm sure you catch up, you understand. So I'm just going to leave you to continue watching the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.